Hi friends, my name is Bhakti Harkar. Today I introduce that and those. That is a notebook, those are notebooks. That is tomato, those are tomatoes. That is apple, those are apples. That is bitter gourd, those are bitter gourds. That is bottle, those are bottles. That is compass, those are compasses. That is pen, those are pens. That is pencil, those are pencils. That is scale, those are scales. That is watch, those are watches. That is brush, those are brushes. That is pencil, those are pencils. That is pad, those are pads. That is eraser, those are erasers. Thank you.